Hello, this is Judy, and I've put together a new page kit. It is a double page kit. You can buy it singly. It's limited in supply, however, because I don't have a lot of this tree paper. However, I could make a bunch and use different background paper. So that is an option. I may put some together without the tree paper. But anyway, that's for the future. I love this. I love how it came out. Close to My Heart has a special for the next couple months here in 2021. It is now August 1st. And in the special, it is White Pines. We brought back the pack. And you got the White Pines paper. And you get these 4 stamp sets in the bundle. And of course, I had to get the bundle. And let me see. Here is the paper. So you get the paper kit. You get all 4 stamp sets. You get the paper kit and the coordinating cardstock, which I have already delved into, so I can't show you. But I didn't use any of this particular one. Now this is revamped with new colors, and you will see that this is much lighter than this. Wait till I flip it over. See how it's a different color? This was with champagne, and this is with the toffee. I believe toffee. Yes, toffee. So it's a little bit different shade. So I could use the ones out of this kit, but I kind of wanted to do the workshop that Close to My Heart put out with this. They actually designed a whole workshop you can download with different pages. But that's another option. You know, my mind goes a million different ways when I do these. So I had a bunch of this paper left over from the bulk paper that they provide to consultants or makers or whatever you want to call us. Just paper hoarders. So, but I love the sticker sheet. So yeah, it's really, really cute. So that is what you get. You get the paper, the sticker sheet, the coordinating cardstock, all 4 of the stamp sets. And I can't remember if there's anything else. There might be something else in there. But it's on my website, stampinforever.closetomyheart.com, I believe it is. I'm not sure. But I can put a link in it's in the description of the video. All right. So I like doing these videos, even though if these kits are sold out and they're no longer there, the layout is still good for anything, you know, you could put together. So I wanted to show that. But aren't these animals just so darn cute? I love them. They're just so darn cute. And I colored these with the tri-blend markers. But anyway, in the kit, I will show you. And where did I put them? I set them aside in all my excitement. You get the paper and everything you need. So we'll go ahead and put these together. And I provide a picture of the finished layout with the kit so that you see how it's put together. I don't do a cutting guide because it just takes so much time. And for the limited amount that I make, I just don't have the time to put into it. So you get this paper gutted, because I use the inside for all the little pieces. Then you're going to get this piece of toffee and the layer of the French vanilla, colonial white, whatever it is. I pulled it out. You get the zip strip, and I actually cut this one down here to put here. So I cut that. You do have to cut some of the paper when you get the kit, and you'll see that in the photos. So let's see, you get lots of little pieces. You don't have to use all these. I just was stamping and cutting with my scan and cut and went to town on it. So the trees are going to go here, and some of them might not be cut out perfectly. I had to realign my machine, but on the finished layout, you'll see I colored with my tri-blend marker the edge, so it wasn't as prominent. And I went over these with the darker marker to highlight it, and colored in this tree here. So, you know, you can enhance it however you want. It's going to be your layout. I just provide the goodies to help you out. So here's your little bear. And all your little squares that you're going to cut into triangles. And the star for your tree, and you get a couple different choices of colors. I used the red one, and I used it here, and I put it our liquid glass on it, and I put liquid glass on the candy canes and the little ornaments here and the stars. And for some reason, the liquid glass on the red, this is candy apple, it makes it like glow. It just glows. It's very eye-catching. If you don't like that look because it's so intense, then don't use liquid glass on the red. The green seems to be just fine and stays true to the color. I also added some of the stickles on a couple of the pieces to give it a little glitter. And, you know, you could put a lot more on it. Okay, so what I did was I made a square, and I'll provide a picture of the square. So here's the square with the triangles, okay? And then I put some little branches out here and here, and I hung the little ornaments on those little branches, okay? So you can put your triangles in any order that you want. I will give you a picture of how I did it if you want to follow what I did. And then I use the green for photo corners. Okay, so you'll cut these in half, and then you will layer them around your page and all your little goodies. And you have enough so you have the other side. Okay, so they're double-sided. I love this print here. And you can use them all or not, whatever you want to do. And of course, I'm not going to cut these because they are for the kit. So I give you lots to work with, okay? You're going to get 2 of the blue. You get extra green because one of these you use for your photo corners. You get 2 of the brown, and then you get 1 of each design. So they're double-sided. So you get 2 of this one, okay? And this is the base card. So you get 2 of those. On that, okay? So you'll cut those in half diagonally for your triangles and layer those on for your trees. And I inked the edges of all my papers to make them look distressed. You can do that or not. That is totally up to you. And I have the little family tag in 2 colors for a choice. Then you have lots of little stars and ornaments. And here are the candy canes for the bear to throw around. There you go. Okay, and there are your ornaments. Some of them may have gotten cut off, but you're going to tuck them underneath anyway. The Scan and Cut sometimes doesn't see all of the strings. Okay, so those are all the pieces in this kit. This is a lot of stamping, right? I really incorporated, instead of Cricut cuts, I'm using stamped images because I want everyone to see what they can create with their stamps. All right, so I'm going to put all these away, and then I'll show you the other layout. Okay, page 2 is this one, and it has 3 photos. Okay, you got a 4x6 and 2 3x3s. You could do a 4x6 here and here, but then you would get rid of your journaling strip. But that, you know, you can make it work for you however you want. You have, again, 3 triangles on each side, so you get 3 squares, 1 of each design. You use both sides. You're going to get these big ornaments. I use the glitter Stickles glitter glue on these again, and I put a flower in the center of this one and a star there, and then I again put the little ornaments underneath. There is some string in there for you to hang your ornaments with. I need to pull out some toppers. I have some toppers from another kit I'm going to pull out and put in the kit as well. You get a little circle here that has stickles on it, a couple presents for a little cluster. You're going to get these two guys, another candy cane. He's swinging an ornament, another zip strip. This is a whole sheet of the brown, the trees, and then you're going to get 3 strips here. This is 2.5, 1, and 2 inches by 12. Okay, so that's everything that's in the kit. Here, and I'll show you how it gets laid out. All right, so here's this, and it goes here. You're gonna have 3x3, 3x3, and a 4x6. And you can put your strips any which way you want, you know, according to how your photos or your colors are. Use all of them or none of them or one of them, you know, whatever fits what you have. All right, you get all your little pieces again. And you're going to cut these diagonally and use this side and then this side. Okay, so one on each one. There. So it'll go like that and there. And then your zip strip. Another zip strip for down here. And you get your little deer. Here's your string. And for your string, you're going to take it and you're going to have it like this. Yeah, so you'll have one long side and one short. And I put these up on foam adhesive and then stuck the string to the back and laid it down and taped this on the back of your sheet. And I have that, it should be like this with the trees. So make sure your trees are in the right orientation, in other words. Okay, so here's your little fox. And there's, again, colors of all the presents to match whatever you may need. And I use the colors that were used in the paper kit. That's why I have the brown, the glacier, the candy apple. Oh, you got 2 brown in that one instead of a green. Oh, well. That's what I get for putting all these kits together. I always mess one up. And that's the one I'm showing. Okay, so you get all 4 colors. You get a bunch of ornaments again, because he'll have one, so you could use, you know, whatever ones you want. I give you a variety. So that's everything that's in this kit to put together. So isn't that fun? And then if you wanted to add a different title, you can. I just have these little Merry Christmas ones there because it's, you know, there's so much going on already. You could put a title here, you know, put it into your journaling block. You could put a word, you know, here, you know, up here. You know, the option is yours to make it your own. But I really like how these came out. They're really cool. And these guys are just so adorable. All right, so thank you. I hope you like that. And, you know, feel free to use this design using different papers you may have in your own stash. But if you'd like a kit, let me know. I only have very few pre-cut ones, but the idea is always useful for other things. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. I really appreciate it. And give me a thumbs up. Helps with those algorithms. And if you could share the video, that would be great as well. So thank you very much. Have a great day.